this is the ideal opportunity for our students to share the stage with the likes of Graham Donaldson, to actually celebrate what they do and make that difference in classrooms. And that's why it's important. And to have partnership schools available for the day and attending this type of thing enables them to hear the same messages as well.
Conferences of this kind are really what the whole Successful Futures development in Wales is all about. It's giving those who are going to be at the heart of making it happen the opportunity to come together to engage with what it is that we're trying to do and to reinforce each other.
At first, when I was asked to present in the UWTSD Excellence Conference, I thought there was no way I could stand on stage and share with everybody because it is quite a daunting experience. But then I had to think about it and I thought, well, for other trainees to share great practice, it's very good to share practice with everybody. I feel that the conference is very important to share for fellow trainees, professionals, teachers and head teachers and so forth.
What came through to me today was, at one level, continuing huge enthusiasm and determination to take this forward and make it work for the young people of Wales, but also bringing together the young people from the school at the start of the day seems to me to be critical to these kind of events because it's all about the children.
The relationship between teacher and pupil is like two people walking on a journey together. Sometimes the teacher's ahead, leading, sometimes side by side, sometimes behind, giving a little push. But today we were well behind and the students were well ahead, and we could just sit back and applaud and take a great pride in their wonderful achievement, their innovation and what they've managed to do. It was a wonderful way to finish the year.